welcome to Creating Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Halloween karaage fingers.
Oh yeah, okay.
Just put tomato ketchup nails and it's going to be really fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You need chicken breast with no skin. If the meat is too thick, flatten a bit, but you don't have to pound it. Now see the direction of the grain lines? Thinly slice the chicken breast across the grain lines. This is the trick to make juicy and tender karaage. Now mix the seasonings. You can of course use fresh garlic and ginger. Marinate the meat for 15 minutes or more. Now let's move on to make the batter. Mix the starch and flour. Then beat 1 egg in a bowl. When you are ready to serve, start putting the batter. If you want to create a thick batter, you want it to dust with flour mixture, dip in beaten egg, then again dust with flour mixture. It is difficult to handle at the end, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Pour the oil into a frying pan. Put on medium and place the chicken. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Why cover? To avoid the splattering, but be careful when you open the lid. Separate if they are sticking together and flip them over. Again, cover and cook for 3 minutes. Now put on high and cook for a minute until crisp golden. Remove them from oil and drain well. They are absolutely delicious without the dipping sauce, but it is up to you. Ketchup nails are perfect for Halloween. Easy and creepy, right? Now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
これにまずは片栗粉を入れますね。ごめん
下手くそ。
そうだね、下手くそだね。はい、どうですか？
美味しいです。
美味しい。好きだよね。
好き。
美味しい美味しいって食べてないよ。何も。ではいただきます。おいしい。柔らかくてジューシーで。なったね。バイバイ。
バイ。